Welcome to U.S. Tax Unpacked. Inflation adjustments mean bigger EITC numbers for tax year 2025. We'll show you who qualifies, what's new, and how to lock in up to $8,046 on the return you'll file in early 2026. EITC stands for Earned Income Tax Credit, a refundable federal income tax credit designed to benefit low to moderate income workers and families. The EITC is fully refundable, so even if you owe zero tax, the IRS will send you the difference. For 2025, the top payout rises to $8,046 for families with 3 or more qualifying kids. Who qualifies in 2025? Use your adjusted gross income and family size. If you're married and file jointly, your ceiling is roughly $7,000 higher than singles or heads of household. Don't forget the $11,950 cap on interest, dividends, and capital gain income. What are the maximum credit amounts for 2025? These amounts appear online 27A of Form 1040 once the software crunches your numbers. If you don't claim kids, your credit cap's at $649, but for many families, it's worth thousands. Make sure you learn about qualifying child rules. Before listing a child, be sure you meet all 4 tests. The IRS denies tens of thousands of EITC claims every year because a child doesn't actually qualify. Claiming the EITC with no children, child-free workers still get a small credit, but you must meet the age window and residency rule. How to claim on your 2025 return. Most DIY software calculates the credit automatically after you answer family and income questions. Schedule EIC lists each child's name, SSN, and months lived with you. Watch out for common errors and pitfalls. These mistakes like typos, name mismatches, claiming a child that doesn't meet the rules, or understating or overstating the self-employment income, or exceeding the investment income limit can delay your refund, or worse, ban you from claiming the EITC for up to 10 years. PATH Act refund timing. Congress created the PATH Act in 2015 hold to fight fraud, so budget accordingly. Refunds with EITC won't hit bank accounts before mid-February. There are special situations too. Service members can strategically include combat pay to maximize or eliminate the credit, whichever benefits them most. For clergy members, housing allowance counts as earned income. Married couple but filing separately are generally ineligible. Finally, ITIN holders cannot claim EITC. They must have an SSN to be eligible for it. Don't worry, there are free help and resources. Check out IRS Free File if the income is below $84,000. If the rules feel overwhelming, a VITA volunteer can file your return free if the income is below $64,000. Bring Social Security cards and income documents. Review Publication 596 for detailed rules, link below, and try attending a local EITC Awareness Day normally held in late January. Finally, key takeaways. The EITC is the single largest refundable credit for working families. Claim what's yours. Maximum credit up to $8,046. Ensure you gather SSNs and proof of residency. File early but expect refund in mid-Feb. Thanks for learning about the 2025 EITC with U.S. Tax Unpacked. We'll keep monitoring IRS updates so you stay in the know. Share with anyone who may qualify, and don't forget to download our free quick reference guide and P596.